We want to show you a live look right now at the Truckee bypass on this KCRA3 weather impact day. Sure doesn't look like spring at all in the Sierra this morning. Resorts, although they are loving all this fresh powder right now.
Palisades Tahoe says it got about 8 inches of snow overnight, about 15 inches if you count the last 24 hours. Donner Summit has had near whiteout conditions at times. Other parts of the Sierra, like Yosemite National, other parts of the Sierra have also gotten a good amount of snow as well. On the far right there is a beautiful shot of Yosemite. Some lucky kids will have the day off thanks to the snow. If your student is part of the Tahoe-Truckee Unified School District, Pollock Pines Elementary School District, or Silver Fork Elementary School District, you can ditch the backpack, grab the sled instead. Meteorologist Kelly Curran in for Tamara Berg this morning with a look at what to expect the rest of the day. And by the way, you can expect Tamara on the evening shows.
Yeah, absolutely, all week long. Here is what we're looking at Rancho Cordova. A few clouds, even a little bit of blue starting to peek through there. Now, the heaviest of that rain this morning is primarily in the foothills, but we've already seen some scattered showers across parts of the valley. Snow levels falling down to around 3,000 feet. We're already seeing that snow around Pollock Pines, and we could see some thunderstorms this afternoon. Now, here is a look at that Doppler radar. And again, we've got some scattered shower activity moving through the Stockton, Modesto areas. Sonora seeing some pretty steady rain there. And then as you take a look at the areas near Placerville, that's where we're seeing some of that moderate to heavy rain. Placerville already picking up more than an inch of rain out of this system. That's Sunday and Monday combined. Then, of course, switching over to snow as you get up toward Pollock Pines, where we could see at least a few inches by the end of the day today. Temperatures, Sacramento only 49, same in Fairfield. Placerville is at freezing, 32. Wouldn't be surprised if you see a little bit of sleet mixed in there as well. And then in Truckee, we're at 25 degrees. Winds right now, not a problem, but by about 3 o'clock today, we will expect to see some gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour in the valley out of the west-southwest. Those winds will diminish as we get into the evening. Temperatures today is going to be on the cool side. Again, only around 60 degrees for most of the valley. Upper 40s in the foothills, mid-30s up into the Sierra. We'll talk more about the neighborhood forecast coming up in about 10 minutes. But first, let's head back to Deirdre and Brandy.
All right, thank you. Well, the snow has not let up in the Sierra since it started falling on Sunday.
KCRA3's Melanie Wingo joining us now live from inside Live Tracker 3 with the very latest. Melanie?
And we're in Truckee right now. We're right below the 6,000-foot elevation mark. We're going to get the wheels in motion here on Live Tracker 3. You can see the snow is coating the ground here. We are right near the on-ramp to Interstate 80, and we are going to be headed in the eastbound direction. And just to give you a sense of what we encountered as we made our way here over Donner Summit, pretty much what you're seeing outside of Live Tracker 3. Reduced visibility is a big story for this morning. Obviously, we've been also talking about that snow covering the roadway, but as we made our way over Donner Summit, and I believe we have some video to show you of our trek over, reduced visibility is something that you're definitely going to want to watch out for. Also, when we're talking about the snow continually falling over the last several hours, we're talking about that accumulation also making it so that the lanes are more narrow up as you head over the mountain pass. So that is something to be advised of as well. So we've got the near whiteout conditions, the lanes that are smaller because there's so much snow building up on the side, the wind gusts kicking up that snow that has fallen off to the side. So it's kind of a dangerous mix out there if you're headed in this direction. Obviously, you know, on days like this, chain controls are in effect. That's what we've been reporting throughout the morning. So be prepared if you're headed in this direction, doing any Sierra travel today. It's a treacherous one out there today. I'll send things back to you now.